3, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome here. Today I'm super excited because we are going to be reviewing these two products. I haven't done a makeup review in a while, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited. But before we talk about that, let's really talk about the skin. Let's talk about this glow. Like, my skin has never looked this good, and honestly it's because I've stayed really consistent with my skincare routine. I'm using the same things, I'm giving it time, I'm giving my skin time to really process and adjust, and it's loving it. I'm like I said, I'm going to be doing a review on these two items. This is the Rituel de Fille 3-drop weightless serum foundation, and this is the LYSbeauty Love Yourself Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. Both are vegan, cruelty-free, and I believe both can be found at Credo Beauty, which Credo has such a high standard for clean beauty brands. So the fact that both these brands are sold there says a lot. I'm really excited to try it. It says 3 drops shoot to a full face. My skin is prepped, it's hydrated, it's primed, I'm ready. So let's try them out. This I already tried a little bit. One day with my coworker, I tried it, but I didn't get to really like play around with it and try it. So I'm excited. Let's get into it. I shade matched myself through the computer. Like, I shade matched myself online. I don't know why I said through, but I also shade matched my coworker through online, and it was the exact same match. Because, not to like toot my own horn, but my shade matching skills, phenomenal, out of this world, truly. So I'm really excited. I hope this is my shade. When you open it up, it looks like this. It has this press me button. I have 3 drops on my hand, 1, 2, 3. I'm a little like worried because I think the shade is my summer shade, and someone was saying this to me, but I am the type of person, like, I rather go too dark than too light, because if I go too dark, I'm okay. I can always just brighten it up. That's fine with me. But I never want to go too light with my foundation. I'm going to take a little bit, like, this is the 1 drop. I've taken the 1 drop on my hand. I'm going to put it right here. Oh, yeah, it's a little... Not me bragging in the beginning, and the foundation is a little too dark on me, but I'm going to get tan, you guys. This is my winter shade. Okay, this is my winter shade. I am going to get tan. What shade did I get? I got shade Potion 170, medium tan. This is definitely my shade. I'm just a little light right now. So let's blend it out. Oh my god. Let's blend it out. Okay, no. It's my shade. It's my shade. It's my shade. It is my shade. I don't normally do foundation on my forehead, but today, just for the sake of like trying this, it's my shade! Guys, okay, I did this side, 1 drop on this side. And then do you see the glow? Like, do you see my skin just glowing through the foundation? Is it my shade? Guys, is it my shade? Is it a little gray? Medium tan. I'm medium tan. I'm always medium tan. I mean, I'm like medium right now, or just tan because I'm a little late. It's winter, but spring is here. I don't even need 3 drops. Like, normally this is the amount of foundation that I would wear. Now, back in the day, like, if you look back at the other videos of me doing my makeup, then you would know that I do a little bit more. So I'm going to take the leftovers. I'm going to do my forehead. And this is how we will know if it's truly my shade. It's my shade. If it matches my forehead, it's my shade. Oh my gosh. So we listened to them. We did 3 shades. It's all gone. 3 shades. Matched myself online. Natural lighting. This is what it looks like. It's on my skin. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside too. What do you guys think? Like, my glow is still there. It didn't steal my glow away. And I think this is a foundation that if I wanted to, if I had the desire, I can blend in with my hands. This is beautiful. Okay, let's try the concealer. Let's try the concealer. I'm going to place the concealer in all the places that I would normally place. A little bit here, a little bit here, and a little bit here. Yeah, like in all the places that I would normally place. Guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm gonna blend it with my hand. I'm gonna blend this out. Wow. Okay, what do you guys think? That blended in really beautiful. Take the eyeliner. Let's see if it has a little brightening. That's my son, Mele. Mele, you're on camera. Wow, that's really brightening. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Look. Everything lays so beautifully. By the way, you guys, welcome to my bathroom. Like, I can do the whole setting up, because you guys know back in the day I used to do that. But I want you guys to get ready with me. This is my home. This is my bathroom. This is where I do all my crying, and I've invited you to my safe space. Welcome. This concealer is amazing. Okay, so first I blend with my hand. What? Oh my god. Let's do the rest of my face. Let's do the rest of my face. I'm going to take, do I want blush? Of course I want blush. Okay, okay. Let's sculpt very lightly using the Tower 28 sculpting cream. Same brush, same brush. Very lightly. I don't want to do too much with this look. Oh, very lightly. I'm not going to do anything else because I really want to see how the foundation holds up. I'm going to go ahead today. It's all about the concealer and the foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye. Just in all the areas that I did, that I concealed. For blush, I'm going to be using this blush. This is the RMS, what are they called? RMS Hanky Panky Re-Dimension Hydro Powder Blush. I love this blush. Just to keep it in the family, I'm going to be using this Rituel de Fille Exchange Lip Sheer and White Tone. It's not what I usually go for, because you guys know me and gloss, we go like this. Okay, so I went and I did mascara and eyeliner off camera. Now, it's just to set, this is Waka. To set my face, I'm going to use the SOS spray. This just always like helps really soothe my skin. It gives me the glow that I want and it's super hydrating, so I love it. Guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to give this foundation 10 out of 10. It feels really good. It's sitting on my face really, really well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wear it all day long. I'm going to come back at the end of my day and I'm going to tell you, I will say that the day is almost gone. It's 6:24, but I'm going to have a really long night because I'm going out right now. So I'll be back around maybe like 11-ish to let you guys know how it looks. But right now, I think it looks really good, right? What do you guys think? I don't know, you guys tell me. I mean, I wish you could talk because right now I really want to hear your opinion. Why did my hair look better when it was clipped in? Okay, hater. Yeah, a little messy. Let's like mess it up. Okay, anyway, I'll be back to tell you guys, but you guys let me know. When I first started filming, it was like 5-ish or 6 something. It is right now 11:14. I went out, grabbed something to eat. I'm looking beat down a little bit right now, but I'm not gonna lie, it really held up. And love with this one. Everybody was in awe, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm very much in awe. I think I still look like me. It's so skin-like, so it has such a like soft finish. And I really love it. My shade was 170. I want to explore Rituel de Fille a little bit more. I didn't know the quality was this good. The concealer held up really well, and I did a test try already with just a concealer, and that turned out well, like really well as well, with just a concealer without foundation. I will say the concealer is not like really beginner friendly. You kind of have to blend really fast. I think you have to know placement and how to really play around with makeup for the concealer to really truly work. But the foundation, I think, would be perfect, whether it is for mature skin or young skin. If you're into light makeup, just flawless, clean, beauty, soft, I think it would be perfect. But also for someone who likes full glam and wants like full coverage, I think this would be perfect. It literally just gave me a clean slate. It just blanked out all my little imperfections. Not that I have many. I really like it. I'm a fan. I'm gonna give the foundation 10 out of 10. I think it's gonna be my everyday foundation. I don't even wear foundation every day, but a little drop, just like in the areas where I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation around my mouth, things like that. I think it's perfect because usually I just do concealer, but now I have a foundation that I love. The concealer, I'm gonna give it a solid 8 out of 10. I think it dries really quick, and you also have to be really smart about what you are using under. Like you have to really make sure you're hydrated and your skin is prepped. Anyway, both of them will be linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, I'm coming back to YouTube. I'm going to be doing a lot more reviews of new products. Obviously now I have completely transitioned to only using clean beauty, so a lot of the content that I'm going to be, or a lot of the products that I'm going to be reviewing will be clean beauty. So I hope you guys join me on this journey on using healthier and a lot more sustainable beauty products. I'm excited to learn, and I want you guys to learn with me. I'm also getting a haircut tomorrow, so hopefully I film that, and if I do, that will be the next video. Alright, bye. And if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok and follow me on Instagram. My socials will be somewhere here. Alright, bye guys.